Is this the most hated 2-packs case of all time? Yes, I pretty much think I agree with you guys. Now, we'll get into that in just a few minutes here, but yeah, I got this case, 2026 2-packs case E from Get Me Collectibles. Make sure you check him out. You know, you can sign up to his email, and then obviously you get a slight discount on when cases come out available, etc, etc. Obviously, these are now all made in China. 12 pieces, which is a total count of 24 cars. Exactly the same as singles, but yeah. So, let's get straight into this now. This is 2-packs case E. So, this is probably one of the least interesting 2-packs of all time. Straight off the bat, we have a 2-pack of Bling Bling Lightning McQueen and Tex Dinoco. Nothing too special. I won't be doing a video on these guys, so don't expect that out ever. But yeah, here we have the new Chinese variants of this guy. He doesn't look too different from the Thailand release in 2022. I want to say 2022, yeah. Because he Tex Dinoco with, you know, rest in peace. Yep, we can see some other cars on the back. We've got Tractor with Tire Mouth, and also we'll get into that in a minute. Yeah, we'll get to that. Mattel just, yeah. Anyways, there is actually 2 of those in this case, so yeah, that makes it easier just to open it up and display the variants. If I find anything dramatically different about them, then of course I will do a video, but just looking at them, there isn't really. There is 2 Race Skin Rescue Chick Kicks and Lightning McQueen in this case. I won't be doing a video on this one straight away. I have already done a video on Chick, but McQueen, he is slightly different to his, you know, Thailand release in 2025. Obviously, he doesn't have the new logo there in the corner. Race and Rescue. So yeah, this will be out around about the time of when I do my entire comparison, just like on Sunday's video. So yeah, you should check out that. But yeah, on the back we have Cruz and Danny and Lightning McQueen and Chick Kicks, and also just say, it does say made in China there. And there is obviously 2 of these in the case. Yep, I can open them up. The quality control still looks a little bit better on McQueen than before. I mean, did see that PCP was complaining about the back, and yeah, I can see how bad that is. So yeah, Thailand without a doubt already wins. Going on to the next one. In this case, there is sadly only one of these in the case. This is the 2026 release of Cruz and Danny. Maybe I'll do a video, but I literally just done a video a few months ago now. But this one here is the metallic version. Yes, he is actually slightly metallic, and also he no longer has the netting around his window there. I'll find an image on your screen of what the previous one looked like. Yeah, this one, in my opinion, is a lot better. This is probably one of the best 2-packs in this case. We'll get into the other good one in a few minutes here, but sadly there is only one of this in the case. You can see here the back. Another one, which is sadly only one of in the case, and only 2 or 3 Cars on the Road characters being released in 2026. The other one is being Encrypted Buster McQueen. But yep, here we have Lightning McQueen, Deputy Hazzard, still spelled with 2 Z's, and Bella Cadaver, which we can see here. Don't see anything different, but the McQueen is definitely different from his Thailand single release. So I will definitely probably be doing a video on this in the near future, probably when 2026 comes around, because there is literally nothing too special. But yep, you can see there the promo images if you are interested. Cars on the Road, made in China there. Yes, there is 2 of this pack in the case. Jim Reverick and Spiky Phillips. The 6-7 racer. Yeah, I know. Just perfect timing for Mattel to release this guy. He's one of the most popular next gens, being the last next gen ever for Mattel to release, except for the Apple Racer. So to see him back is a really plus side. And also he doesn't have the yellow around the eyes anymore, and he is ever so slightly different to his Thailand release. So, well, I mean dramatically different. So this is the first one I will be doing on Wednesday, so stay tuned for that video of comparison of Jim Reverick. Obviously there is the fake factory custom China version as well. Yeah, we can see there And on the back, it's just these two. But luckily, like I've said, there is 2 of these in the case. So yeah, that is really, really perfect timing. Fly off the shelves. Just a shame I didn't get an error in any of these. But yeah, there is that. And actually, I'll be right back in just a few seconds, guys, because my arm is absolutely dying just holding this phone up for 5.5 minutes straight. Sorry, guys, holding your phone up for 5 minutes straight without having a rest is actually quite painful. But yeah, anyways, up next in the case is Mater and Tractor Retiring Mouth. This is actually a really, really cool 2-pack, although I really wish it would have been just a regular Tractor instead of just the Tractor Retiring Mouth. It would have been cool. Or if they'd done the Tractor Retiring Mouth, just put Luigi and Guido, like a throwback to 2006. Because remember, this is the 20th anniversary we are talking about here, guys. Yet there is that. Pretty cool stuff. You can see the Tractor here. Probably will be doing a video on this come the end of November. I have so many videos to record daily now for you guys. Yep, there is that. And obviously here is the back of the packaging. Obviously the McQueen is swapped out. Obviously this is actually a cancelled McQueen that they use for the promo image. The fixed eyes McQueen with the gold tyres. Yeah, pretty cool stuff. If you want to screenshot that guy without the light in there, there you go. Obviously it does say made in China. There is 2 of these guys in the case. I was just trying to get to it because it was just being annoying. But yeah, there is that 2-pack. And now for the most hated 2-pack of all time, Pat Traxson and Jeff Corvette. But not only is it any Jeff Corvette, it is the Cars freaking 2 version of Jeff Corvette. Mattel, how can you mess up something this badly? Like, seriously, how? I would have preferred if you just put Jeff Corvette and Lewis Hamilton together. That would have been a really cool 2-pack. And actually, have they ever been released as a 2-pack? I know Jeff has been released with Carla, I believe, in the past. And Lewis has been released with Rick Gonski in the past. But that would have been really cool. But yeah, here is Jeff. He is actually a new variant because I believe he has the outlining around the headlights now. Yep, and Pat Traxson. This will be a video warning or a warning when this video goes up, because there is going to be some stuff I've got to say about this 2-pack. Just, I really don't know how this got through quality control, just Mattel in general. And not only that, apparently these 2 characters are from Cars 1. Just how? Like, did any of the Mattel team for the Cars watch the first Cars movie and see Pat Traxson and Jeff Corvette in the movie? Like, generally, did they actually watch the first Cars movie at all? It's only like an hour and 40 minutes, I believe. But yeah, it's still just, I don't know. 3 minutes is long enough talking about this utter trash of a 2-pack. And not only that, there is 2 of them in the case. Literally, there is 2 in the case. I don't even know why or how. Everybody was expecting the Cars 3 Jeff. We'll get into that when, obviously, my video's out. But yeah, I'm now going to make a thumbnail, tidy all this up, and then I will start doing videos for the rest of the week for you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video of 2026 2-packs case E. As you can see there is the code if you are interested. Feel free to screenshot. But yeah, until the next video, which will be tomorrow, peace everybody.